how to solve this exponential problem and find all values of t that satisfy this equation. This is t power 3 minus t power 2 equals 18. Now we can have our t power 3 minus t power 2 equals, for 18 here, we can express this as 27 minus 9. 27 minus 9 will give you 18. And you are going to see quickly why we decided to express it this way. I have t power 3 minus t power 2 equals, this is 27. I can express it as 3 to the power of 3 because we have the exponent of 3 here. Minus, as for 9 here, I can express it as 3 power 2 because we have exponent of 2 here. So what we are going to do next is move this over and move this over. From here, we have t power 3 minus t power 2 equals, this becomes negative because this is coming over here. This is minus 3 power 3. This will become plus 3 power 2 because this is negative. It crosses, it becomes positive, and this equals 0. So let's combine the ones with similar exponents. We have t power 3 minus 3 power 3. Then let's combine the one with similar exponents again. This is minus t power 2 plus 3 power 2 equals 0. I can have my t power 3 minus 3 power 3. Here, I can factor out negative. This divides this, we have t power 2. Positive divides negative, we have minus 3 power 2. And this equals 0. Don't forget, if you multiply this, expanding the bracket, you have this positive here because negative times negative is positive. So you have it there. At this point, we can expand this and this. So to expand this, we consider this identity. A power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. For this, we simply make use of difference of two squares, which is a minus b times a plus b, because this is power 2, this is power 2. So if you have a squared minus b squared, it will give you a minus b times a plus b. In each of these cases, our a is t, while b is 3. So we are going to apply this to expand this, and we apply this to expand this cubic equation. So let's start with the cubic expression, which is this. So we insert t for a, that is t minus 3 for b. We have this times this is t squared plus t times 3 plus 3 squared. Right? Then we have minus. I have minus before we make use of difference of two squares here, which is t minus 3 times t plus 3, and this equals 0. So at this point in time, I can factor out t minus 3. T minus 3 times, if you divide this by t minus 3, what you are going to get will be t squared plus, if you multiply this, you have 3t plus this will give you 9 minus, if you divide this by this, you simply have t plus 3, and this equals 0. You can as well put this in bracket if you want. Now, next step will be to, and don't forget this, since we are factoring out this, so there is a bracket that separates this, because this becomes a common factor of this and this. So there's a bracket here that separates this from the product there. So at this point, we have t minus 3 times, for this, we simply have t squared plus 3t plus 9. Let's multiply out using this negative. This is minus t minus 3, and this equals 0. So from this, I have t minus 3 times. I can easily subtract t from 3t, that is 2t, so we have t squared plus 2t, then 9 minus 3, this is plus 6, and this equals 0. So what will happen here is that I can equate each of these to 0. Of t minus 3 equals 0. Also have t squared plus 2t plus 6 equals 0. Now, we have two different equations to solve. To solve this is simple. We'll move this over here. This is t equals 3. That's our first solution. For this is a quadratic equation. We solve using the formula. It is not factorizable. So write the formula t minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is your a, b, and c? The coefficient of t squared here is your a, that is 1 in this case. 2 is my b, and 6 is my c. I will have my t equals negative b, that is negative 2, plus or minus square root of b squared to power 2 minus 4 times a1 times c, that is 6, divided by 2 times 1, that is 2 times a. From here, I have t equals, this is negative 2, plus or minus square root of this is 4 minus this is 20. That is 24. 4 times 1, 4 times 24 divided by 2. So from here, we have t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of this is minus 20 divided by 2. From here, you got t equals negative 2 plus or minus, there is minus here, square root of negative 1 times square root of 20 divided by 2. This will give me I of t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 20, which is exactly just like expressing as 4 times 5, in which 4 here is a perfect square, divided by 2. From here, I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4 times square root of 5 divided by 2. T equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4 is 2 root of 5 divided by 2. This cancel this, cancel this. Ft equals negative 1 plus or minus I root 5. Two complex values for t. I have t2 here equals negative 1 plus I root 5. I also have t3 equals negative 1 minus I root 5. So these are the two complex values for t. You also have one real value for t, which is 3. If you want to insert that value for t, are you going to get the same thing? You can just check that out quickly. We have t equals 3. This is t power 3 minus t power 2 equals 18. This is 3 power 3 minus 3 power 2 equals 18. And 3 power 3 is 27 minus 9 is equals 18. 27 minus 9 is 18 equals 18. So guys, this is how you solve this exponential problem step by step and getting all your answers with complex real values. Thank you.